In this video, we'll be looking at how to enable logging in the Service Manager application. To start, select the Service Manager application from the Tools menu and enter your operator details to log in. Expand the logging window to access the options. Please note that for software releases prior to version 7.3, all the following logging options need to be performed from the Legacy Service Manager file menu. If you have been directed to capture logs from Maxxess technical support, then it's best to delete any existing logs prior to enabling the logging options. As an indicator that there are existing logs already in the system, the delete and display buttons will also be available. The Service Manager log will create a record of all the events that are processed through the main window of Service Manager. Select the Enable button as highlighted to start the logging. As indicated, we will see a message advising that the logging has been enabled in the main screen. Before we can display the log for review, we need to disable the logging. And once again, we will see the message that the logging is disabled. Selecting the Display button will open the log using the default text application on the PC. When ready, close the text window. The next option is for Mercury logging. This makes a record of all the commands and data processed by the Mercury API between Multiport and the Mercury area controllers. Select the Enable button to start Mercury logging. Once again, we will see a message indicating that the logging has started. As with all the logging options, we need to disable the logging before it can be displayed, which again will produce the associated logging disabled message. At this point, we're going to jump ahead and select the Enable button for the Multiport logging, and then use the Display All Logs option at the end. The Multiport log will capture all commands and data executed by the Multiport service. After generating some data through Multiport, we can then disable the logging so that it can be displayed. If you have the PCSE integration module installed for the FTC, SIM or IQ controller range, we can also enable logging for PCSE here. As with all the previous logging options, a message is displayed whenever the logging is enabled, disabled or deleted. Similarly, if we install the Salto interface integrator and configure a connection to the Salto database, we will have the option to enable Salto logging. Again, we get a message to advise when Salto logging has been enabled, disabled or deleted. Selecting the Display All button opens all of the logs that are available to the Service Manager at the time the button is pressed, which in this case gives us the Service Manager log, the Mercury log, the Multiport log and the Salto log. Occasionally, technical support may request a copy of these logs. They can be found in c:/users/public/documents/SMS logs directory of the Multiport server. As the log files can grow quite large over time, it is best to delete the logs when finished. Select Yes to confirm the delete action, and then we will see the message to confirm the log files have been deleted. When finished, close the logging screen. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.